This is a barcode scanner, and today I'm going to be making Flappy Bird with it.
Man, what are you talking about? How is that even possible?
Step 1, get a barcode scanner. Step 2, write an incredibly messy Python script that controls your mouse. Step 3, suffer. I mean, make the game. Alright, so this is my keyboard and mouse. This is not going to cut it. Both of those are getting replaced with the barcode scanner. Obviously, we can't just use the barcode scanner by itself. So we have this thing that I spent so much time making. So basically, whenever you scan one of these codes, it corresponds to a mouse movement through the Python script that I wrote so wonderfully. Okay, so it should be running now. So if I scan this one, which is to center the mouse, I forgot to plug in the barcode scanner. Yes, it worked. Okay, and so now we're gonna move down. So we're gonna do a big down. Now we go right, right, right. Create. Okay, now left click. We did it. Let's call this project something. Actually, no, I don't have a backspace key. So you can technically type with this because these are all just like keys on your keyboard. We're not doing that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need for Flappy Bird is obviously the bird himself. I do want to see what it would look like if I tried to use the costume editor with this thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete Scratch Cat. Now delete. Oh, I forgot they added this. He's gone. Okay, sweet. So we made a new sprite and now we need to draw the bird. Now I actually do not know how this is gonna go. Let's try dragging, okay? Okay, it doesn't work. So now we're gonna go to the left. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go back down. And we are gonna convert to bitmap. Now, bitmap behaves a lot differently than vector in that the shapes, you can draw them more consistently or something. I don't know exactly how to describe it. This is better because it's not saving them as SVGs, it's just normal PNG. It's a big thing and I'm too lazy to explain it. We got lines, oh my gosh. So I messed up, but that's fine. Scratch has undo. Now we just have to go all the way up here, all right. Okay, good. Shoot, did I draw one there? That's fine. I'll come back and I'll erase that. Hey, okay. Now I'm no artist, but like, that's pretty good, right? And we're gonna add the beak. We have the beak. Okay, now getting the exact colors is gonna be kind of tricky, but you know, anything is possible. What? Screw you, Microsoft Bing. This is why I use DuckDuckGo. So now we have to get back into that tab. It did not close the tab, thankfully. That is a bird. So it is just occurring to me that I didn't add a way to get negative numbers. I have an idea on how I can work around this. So this is how we're gonna get negative numbers. We're just gonna get a random sprite. Fairy, okay. We do not need the fairy in the actual game, so we can just hide that. We're just gonna use my variable. We're gonna set my variable to the first letter of its X position. We connected the blocks. Progress. When we show my variable, it should just be a hyphen. Yes, sweet. I'm so smart. And the way we're gonna get negative numbers is we're gonna use a join block and then the actual number we want. Because you see, I was smart and I added all the numbers that we need. I just didn't add a hyphen. And now we're gonna go back into the bird sprite. First things first, we obviously need the green flag block. Sweet. So the next thing we are gonna need is to actually add the bird's movement. So let's get going on some gravity. As many barcodes are on this thing is the amount of variables we can have, because after it scans each of these, it presses enter. So you can really only type things that are 1 digit. Set gravity to 0, okay. I think I got it. 3, 2, 1. So obviously this thing is not without its flaws. We need it to be able to work, right? We need controls. We need the bird to flap later though, because this is making me mad.
2,000 years later.
Day 2. So my goals for this day are just to get the bird movement working. So for the velocity, I'm thinking we just do 5 for now, and then we can fix that if we need to. Why did it move down? There we go, we got it. It should work. Let's give this a go. it does not work. Oh, it does work. It just doesn't work with the wonderful script. This is technically cheating, but it's just to show you, okay? If I click here, then it works great. But if I click with this, it doesn't work, but it's okay. We don't need to play it with the barcode scanner. We just need to make it with the barcode scanner. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do now is put it in a separate script. Now, I'm running into a bit of an issue here. I want to do 10, but 9 is the biggest number I can do. We're gonna do something quite silly here. Okay, 9 plus 1. Let's go test this now. Oh, that is a lot better. That is so much flappier. So the next thing we're going to add is I'm just going to make a little bit of polish, right? We're going to have the bird turn in the direction he's falling. 3, 2, 1. Editing me, add like Vivaldi there or something. It works! It works! It works! Oh, he's turning now! I think it's time to add the pipes. Oh, the costume editor. Ooh, we had a lot of fun here last time, didn't we? Isn't it just beautiful? So I've officially drawn the pipes. I'm ready to start programming them. Oh, I'm so excited. You don't even know. Now, with what I just created, it should theoretically make the pipes move left on the screen. Now, it's obviously not starting from the correct space, but like, it technically still works. But for now, I am done with this. I hate every second of it. Alright, so I'm finally back. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I've not worked on this video in several months. So yeah, we need to lock in. I think I was working on the pipes. Okay, yeah, so I got to where they move to the left. I didn't make them delete for some reason. We attached the first block. Okay, the stage is doing weird stuff. Why is it moving over to the left? I want it to start at x200, so I don't know how I'm going to get the number 200. I think if I do 2 times 8 plus 2 times 8 plus 2. Play the Price is Right theme, cause this is crazy. This is my greatest accomplishment ever. Also, speaking of great accomplishments, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So if you guys are enjoying watching me suffer, please hit that subscribe button just like I hit my tripod a second ago. And thank you. So some new issue that I'm noticing is that whenever I'm dragging, the mouse is moving slightly more than the block. So every once in a while, it'll just like lose track and start moving off on its own, which is normally fine, except some of these blocks are so tiny that it's just super annoying having to move back onto it. I don't know if I noticed that problem 15 years ago last time I recorded. Like, look at that. I dragged it up once and the mouse is like 15 feet away. Let's give this a look. I don't know why the stage is still doing that thing. Oh, it's because of the clones tab. I guess I have to fix that now. Alright, we're gonna have to change the extension with the barcode scanner. I do not think I have an M. So I guess that means we're searching. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's typing. Well, you know, just, okay. Yeah, who did that? It's not completely fixed, but it's better. Okay, that's good. So right now we have working pipes. I need to make it so the bird can die, and then I need the score, and then I need a backdrop. All right, now for this backdrop, I'm thinking we're gonna stick with like the classic blue sky, right? Why is like the red line looking so thin? It's like it's running out of juice. Stay with me for just a while longer, I'm begging you. You know, I actually got 2 barcode scanners for this video. I got this one too. This one's like stupid. And this one I got for free. Okay, I'm gonna let this thing charge, and I'll come back. What is it? May 16th. So hopefully before December.
2 hours later.
All right, we're back. Hopefully this thing is charged now. It's looking better. The light looks stronger. All right, that's a nice color. Okay, we have a sky. Now is the hard part. We need to actually draw buildings. Yay. Whoa. It's way too tall of a building. We have buildings. All I need to do is fill them with like some gray color. Okay, you know what? It's like not that bad. It's super simplistic, but like the lines are clean. All right, there's the background. That was challenging, I'm telling you. This game is almost done. I'm pretty sure there are only 2 more things that I need to do. I need to add a score, and then I need to make it so the bird can die. Yeah, and then we'll be set. I can definitely get the score done in like less than 5 minutes, hopefully. Wow, I accidentally made like 20 variables. All right, sweet. So we have a score variable. Now we just need to make it update, and that should be pretty easy because I only need 2 blocks for this. Okay, so now we just have to change this to S, which is all the way at the bottom because I accidentally made like 15 variables, but that's all right. Did I just make another variable? Oh, it's because I have the search bar. Scratch add-ons is being stupid. It works for everything else, just not S. Like I'll press U and it'll search for U and it'll enter that. It just doesn't work for S. Block drop-down search. Is that gonna get rid of it? Scratch add-ons isn't helping me at all. It's actually harming me quite a bit, as we've seen twice so far today. Finally selected S. I did not think that that was gonna be that hard. Okay. There we go. The score is finally working. Now all we need to do is make it so that the bird can die, and I'll finally be done with this, and then people can stop talking to me about me not recording and not editing and not uploading, because I'll finally be able to upload. Oh yeah, I should save this. After what I learned in the iPod video, I'm really trying to be good on saving. And now I need an OR, because I want to detect if it touches the edge or the pipes. I want it to detect both, because either one should be a death. I did it! Okay, we just need 1 more block. We just need a stop all block. That's it. That's all we need. It's right there. Okay. With these last few drags, I will have finished this project. We finally finished the barcode scanner Flappy Bird. Now all that's left is to save it and play test it. I just want to give you guys a scope on how long this project took, other than the 4-month break I took. So from all my recordings combined, editor me, just like throw up the total time somewhere. So yeah, let's save the game and try. So this is Flappy Bird, made entirely on a barcode scanner. Let's give it a go. 1 point. I got 1 point. You know what I just realized I forgot to do? The pipes don't go to random positions, so I'm actually not done. Let me actually just do a little something. All right, watch this. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Here is the final product of Flappy Bird made with a barcode scanner. It might be too hard. Oh, never mind. All right, you can just go under or above. This game is practically perfect. All right, guys, I actually have one more message for you. So it's this, and I'd just like to show you what it says. All right, here we go. Oh, my laptop's about to die.
Scratches chin.
Thank you, ReactBot.